I don't know if you know this already, but your postpartum body requires calories, nutrients, hydration, and warmth. And this soup definitely checks off the boxes. This easy, mineral-rich egusi soup requires only a few ingredients to keep your healing body nourished whilst increasing the nutrient density of your breast milk. All that is required is to make a stew base, blend in your egusi, add some spices. I'm adding some dawa that is excellent to increase your breast milk as well, and I'm adding some crayfish. I put the blended egusi in there, mix everything together, add some water according to how liquidy you want it to be, add some more spices, your chicken that has glycine, collagen, protein that helps to keep your body healing as much as it can. Cook as much as you want to make it even more delicious. Add some greens for the folate, iron, and for the vitamin B12 that is excellent to increase your energy, as iron easily gets depleted, especially during breastfeeding. This soup freezes very well. I'm yet to come across a perfect postpartum soup like this one. If you're looking to be nourished and supported in your postpartum journey, I'll be honored to support. You know what to do. My email is in the description box below. Send me an email or comment with your favorite food emoji.